Hi V, we biked here.
Yeah.
I'm on my own, broken to...
We need one firecracker.
Do.
Oh, you do?
We went to a couple days ago.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger?
Yeah, we spent money on this.
Linger between the words to say, eh? To say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Move to the rhythm.
Too young. Is it knowing that you're in water? Alright, Zach, here's a lighter. Is itself. I got Karen currently making the hole for the professional firework. Now we gotta run. Admiring how these people. Guess what I have in my hand right now? Yeah, you guessed it. It's stupid. It's 7-Up. There's a guy driving by. 7-Up suck. I do this. You suck.
Right there.
Frederick the Frog. Alright guys, so now we are lighting off some fireworks. Oh god. Let's light this one and think it is purple. Bro, what the hell are they doing? My leg is on a table. Stop playing copyright music. Been at least going for like an hour. Grand finale.
Take that, Indians!
Alright guys, so I was invited to a party. We're gonna go and walk into the party. There's Claire. Damn, there's a lot of people on. Oh wait, is that Shedman? Wait, Shed? Wait, Shed? Wait, you invited me to the party?
Yeah, I did.
But I shot you.
Yeah, but that's fine. I'm better now.
Oh, so you like this place?
It's very big.
Yeah, it's a very big home.
You want to go inside?
Yes.
This is the
See,
inside.
there's a party.
Here is my dog.
No, damn, the dog kind of looked like you. Skinny.
Yeah, she's very skinny.
Oh damn, the staircase is skinny.
Like me.
Ow.
My sister's bedroom. My brother's bed is my bed. Hey. Oh no, that's Karen.
Oh god, we got to get away from Karen.
Karen.
We got to for now.
This is my baby little boy.
Oh god, oh god. Yeah, are we gonna light up some safe fireworks?
Oh, the death.
Oh gosh.
Oh, Junior.
You really suck at popping balloons.
No. He was my best and my only baby. This is my funeral.
Alright, so let's go and celebrate your funeral.
Karen, why did you actually, why are you doing this?
I want to buy your house.
How much?
$1 million.
No way, I bought this for $3 million. That's so rude. To celebrate. No, it's Karen. No, not the cops. This is my new home. The cops might take.
Just to get it.
No, Karen, down here. No, no.
Alright, now there's gonna be a stupid parade that we hate. Everyone we hate. And then we're gonna chuck a balloon at them.
People throwing, I guess, people throwing.
What? You gotta throw them at these stupid people. Stupid. Got people with water guns. Grab these! Now we are playing with these Chinese boat thingies. Damn, Zach. Zach's controlling his. Oh! Oh, dang. We're doing a fireworks show across the thing so we can see it. All right, this person is gonna shotgun it. His name is Evan.
No, Evan.
Do the whole thing.
Evan, no, you're doing it wrong.
You have to open the top.
3,
In the middle.
2, 1.
He just spilled all of it.
Go, no.
Go.
Give me the knife.
Lucas is so impressed. Spilling it all over you. So now we're lighting 2 barrels at the same time. This guy is like literally like 45. Wait, you're laying on the ground so you can see it? No, that's a fountain. Wait, what? Dragon M80. What are they doing? The dragon's just gone. This isn't far. You guys like, then the grand finale. After this is the grand finale, let's go. Here comes the show. $6,000 freaking fire. Here we go. Remember the... This is the grand finale. So fucking loud. This is a $160,000 firework. Damn. That's insane. Look at all the fucking smoke. It's not even the grand finale.